So we are today at Planet Fitness. I'm actually thinking of switching gyms just because I don't really like this gym for anything. Like, it's just like everybody's always trying to like in your business, and it's just not my forte anymore. Yeah, so today we are, I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I'm thinking of maybe HIIT, cardio, I don't know. I'm just gonna stop talking and let's go work out. We are going to walk in the treadmill for about 15 minutes to warm up our muscles. I'm gonna do an incline of 4 or maybe 5 with a speed of like 3.0 or 3.5, just so that we can get a little bit of speed. So let's jump right in. Okay, so for this I ended up doing actually an incline of 5 with a speed of 3.5. And like I was saying, I did this for about 10 minutes and I was drenched. Like, this exhausted me. But it's great just to start off. So yeah. Now for this shoulder workout, I am using a 30-pound barbell. Basically for this exercise, all you have to do is keep your elbows straight with the bar as you come up. I do 5 sets of these and 15 reps. So basically what we're doing here is a superset, meaning 2 exercises at the same time, and then taking a break before jumping into the other one again. So this one I've been actually loving a lot. I saw it on Instagram on one of the influencers I watch, and honestly this hurts like crazy, but I do see a difference in my shoulders, so I do find it very effective. Now for this one, I'm using a 5-pound weight with a the lightest resistance band, and all you have to do is as you come up, keep the resistance band extended as wide as your shoulders. So we're gonna do a little bit of abs. I'm gonna show you what I do. I like to do 3 exercises in one, and then from that I jump to the other exercise that I'm doing, which in this case, shoulders. Watch it. So this exercise, I honestly love doing it so much. It's so much fun. So the way that I don't get bored of doing these is by doing 5 of each. So of the first one 5, of this one side to side 5, and then closer to the bench, like just a normal straight crunch, another 5. And I repeat this about 3 to 4 times. So shoulder presses. Now I have a love and hate relationship with them. I love them, but I hate them. So they're great for you. So here I'm using a 15-pound dumbbell on each arm, and I'm gonna do 5 reps. Wait, that's reps? Well, you know what I mean. And then again, going in with the abs, and then back with the shoulder press. And we are gonna repeat this, like I said, 5 times. I'm gonna continue with biceps. So I'm gonna do now another bicep exercise, isolated biceps, of course. This is kind of like a manly move, but it works great for your biceps. So we're gonna do that, and then we are also going to do push-ups. And I'm not really in the mood to do push-ups, but we gotta do them. And then after that, we're gonna do a little bit more abs, run, and we're leaving. So let's start with biceps. So for this one, I'm starting off with a overhead cable curl. Now, I like to put it kind of like a little bit above my shoulders, not too high. Anyways, with this one, I am going to do 4 sets of 8 reps with a weight of 10 pounds on each side, or every time. And then also, if it's 10 pounds is too heavy for you, you can always start off at 5. I like to do 5 when I'm doing a lot more reps and a lot more sets, just because to burn out more. But for now, this is what we're doing. After our cable machine, we're just gonna jump right into push-ups. Now, after I saw this video, I didn't realize how funny I look doing push-ups. I don't think I'm doing it right, but again, we're gonna jump right back into our cable. So this is a superset. And then after we're done, we're gonna jump back into our push-ups. So like I said, we're gonna do 4 sets, 8 reps of everything. And our final exercise of the day is hanging leg raises, or how I like to call a hanging crunch. These have to be so much fun. I feel like I have gained a lot of upper body strength just by doing this because it's like my body weight. But yeah, so we're gonna repeat these 4 times, and I do about 8 or 5 of each. So depending how tired I am. I changed my shoes. I put on running shoes because I'm gonna run for 10 minutes. So this will be like a HIIT type of thing. Do 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off for 10 minutes. And then that's gonna be good for, I don't like running, I never run. So running for 10 minutes, like on and off, it's like I'm not even running. I mean, it's hard work, but it's better than running without stopping for 30 minutes or whatever the case may be, which is like deadly for me. So we are going to run for 10 minutes and then we're leaving. So this was a very small workout. I'm proud of myself because usually I'm here for like 3 hours. But since I have other things to do, it's gonna be a short workout, still effective. So let's do my favorite part, running. Basically for this, I honestly just left my incline at 1 and I did do a speed of 7.5. This is pretty fast for me due to the fact that I don't run. So like 7.5 for me is like hyperventilating, about to pass out in the treadmill. So yeah, that's a lot. I'm proud of myself, okay? It took me a long time to get to 7.5. But just for 10 minutes, 20 seconds off, 20 seconds off. And yeah. Honestly, 10 minutes killed me. I literally feel like I'm gonna throw up. I have my water and I haven't even been able to drink my water because I feel like throwing up so bad. Tell me how I have this crazy Cuban music playing in the background. So after the successful workout, right now I'm gonna make myself a protein shake, and I'm not gonna eat anything. I'm just gonna just drink the protein shake, and then later on I'm going out, and then when I come back, I might eat something. So for my yummy protein shake, I am going to use original almond milk, only 60 calories. I'm going to fill my cup halfway or almost halfway, and then I am going to put 1.5 scoops of my Elevation protein powder. This protein powder I think has 30 grams of protein. Pretty good. I purchased it at Aldi. And then I'm also going to add 2 ice cubes and blend, and then do everything else while I'm blending. Blend some more, and then fix my leggings, and then blend, and then we're done. It's kind of thick, but all set. So this is gonna be my meal for now until I come back from the mall, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching with this show. Hopefully you like it. I'm trying to get back on track with videos on here. Let's see where it goes. So yep, subscribe if you haven't already, or if you want to keep watching my fitness videos or basically my life's journey with me as well, like this video, give it a thumbs up and press the little bell for notifications every time I post.